And South Korea has announced more details on its vaccination campaign to start next month. First to get the vaccines will be frontline medical workers and those working at nursing homes. The general public can get their shots starting in the second half of the year, with the aim of having 70% of the population inoculated by November. Our Kim Do-yeon has the latest.
The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency has released its plans for vaccination, confirming frontline medical workers as the first group to get the shots. The shots will be given starting next month, and the plan is divided into quarters. Over 65s and those who work with the elderly are among those who will get the vaccine in the first 2 quarters. The rest of the general public is set to start receiving the shots in the latter half of the year.
Inoculations prioritize lowering the death rate by considering the risk for the elderly and stopping the spread at high-risk facilities from leading to regional outbreaks.
The very first shots will be given at the National Medical Center in Central Seoul next month, before being expanded to 3 other hospitals in the country. This is for an estimated 50,000 people. Following in the first quarter are 780,000 residents and workers of nursing homes and 440,000 in medical response teams, starting mid-March. Vaccines from AstraZeneca and Pfizer will be obtained through the COVAX facility for the earliest stage. In the second quarter, people aged 65 or older and those working at or using high-risk facilities for the elderly or disabled are next in line, a group of more than 9 million. In addition, those working at neighborhood clinics and pharmacies will be able to get their shots. For the second quarter, the country plans to roll out Moderna and Janssen vaccines to boost the supply. Pfizer is set to arrive Korea by the latter half of the year.
Starting from the second half of the year, we will expand inoculations for all citizens, considering the supply of vaccines and how inoculation went in the first half.
The government also stated that anyone who has to leave the country will be able to get their shots after a thorough evaluation of the situation. So far from COVAX and the 4 vaccine producers, the country has secured shots for 56 million people, with the government in talks with Novavax for vaccines for an additional 20 million people to provide room for safety. If the process goes according to the plan, 70% of the country will be immune to COVID-19 by November, but the health authorities added that the goal is to speed up the process as much as possible. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.